A dependable vehicle is important for our daily routines, but as time goes by and the more you use a vehicle, the risk of encountering engine issues increases. Not only can these problems leave you stranded, but they can also drain your wallet with expensive repairs. According to Consumer Reports, engine problems are among the greatest mechanical nightmares due to their inconvenience, cost, and time-consuming repairs. To help used car shoppers, we've compiled a list of 10 used cars from the past decade that have been notorious for their severe engine problems. Let's dive into the list, starting from bad to worse. Number 10. 2015 Volvo XC60. In 2015, Volvo introduced their new powertrain lineup for the XC60, including their Drive-E engine family. While the front-wheel drive models received new 4-cylinder engines, the all-wheel drive models retained their 3.2-liter and turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 engines. However, owners of the 2015 XC60 reported various engine-related problems, such as coolant leaking in the transmission. This issue, along with fuel pump failures, became notorious and affected many vehicles with an average mileage of 60,000 to 86,000 miles. And it's not only the 2015 model, the 2019 XC60 also had its share of troubles as well. One common problem involved wheels falling off or emitting loud, strange drumming noises during driving. These issues occurred at an average of 20,000 miles, which is quite alarming if you ask us. Number 9. 2013 BMW X3. The 2013 BMW X3 may seem like a great choice, but there's some serious engine issues that you need to know about. In 2013, the BMW X3 underwent a significant change under that hood. The previous 3-liter inline-6 engine was replaced by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder one. While the performance remained impressive with 240 horsepower, a dark cloud loomed over this new powertrain. According to various reports, the 2013 BMW X3 suffered from major engine problems. These issues were so severe that they overshadowed the driving experience and left owners with hefty repair bills. The most common complaint was engine failure, occurring around 91,000 miles on average. Can you just imagine the frustration of experiencing a breakdown when you just thought your vehicle was still in its prime? And that's not even the bad part. Repairing that engine came at a significant cost, averaging around $6,500. Jeez. Many owners had to face the task of having their engine rebuilt or replaced entirely. And let me tell you, that's not a bill anyone wants to receive. Consumer Reports gave the 2013 X3 the lowest possible reliability score, a mere 1 out of 5. That rating took into account the engine's major problems and issues with the drive system. Number 8. 2015 Ford Mustang. The Ford Mustang, an iconic American muscle car known for its power and performance, makes this list, unfortunately. The 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine made its debut in 2015, offering impressive performance despite its small size. However, it didn't take long for owners to encounter some problem areas. The first issue that stood out was excessive heat. Ford Motor Company acknowledged the problem, revealing that the exhaust system of the 2015 EcoBoost Mustang generated higher temperatures than expected. As a result, there was a recall addressing the issue. Unfortunately, according to Consumer Reports, these problems impacted the reliability ranking and owner satisfaction. Number 7. 2011 to 2012 GMC Terrain or Chevrolet EQUINOX. Both the Terrain and the EQUINOX offered two engine choices: a 2.4-liter direct-injected inline-4 and a 3-liter direct-injected V6 engine. However, it seems that these engines haven't been without their fair share of issues. According to Consumer Reports surveys, owners of 2011 and 2012 models have reported significant problems, with the top complaints being cylinder head malfunctions, timing belt issues, and even complete engine failures. To make matters worse, both GMC Terrain and Chevrolet EQUINOX received the lowest reliability rating from Consumer Reports after reaching approximately 86,000 miles on the odometer. So if you're planning to get either the GMC Terrain or Chevy EQUINOX, well, now you know not to. If you've been enjoying the video so far, why don't you help us out by slapping a like and hitting that subscribe button so you'll never miss out on our new content. Number 6. 2011 Audi A4. Speaking of the Audi A4, the 2011 model year stands out as one of the worst for the vehicle. Many owners experienced mechanical difficulties, particularly with the engine. The most common complaint was its poor fuel efficiency, leading to frequent trips to that gas station and significant expenses over time. Fixing that issue doesn't come cheap either. Some owners have opted to replace the entire engine, costing them well over $5,000. Surprisingly, the 2009 model year had more overall complaints, but the 2011 model year surpassed it in terms of repair costs due to engine replacements. Between 2009 and 2011, Audi A4 model years consistently received numerous complaints related to oil consumption and poor engine performance. These issues tended to arise around the 60,000-mile mark, resulting in costly repairs. Number 5. 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. The most reported problem of the 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe remains complete engine failure. Customers complain that this typically occurred around 83,000 miles. Replacing the engine or failed components could cost you up to $3,700. It's worth noting that there wasn't one particular engine model that had the most failures, making it difficult to determine which engine variant was more reliable. Another major concern reported by owners was strong engine jerking, which became apparent around 56,000 miles. The issue forced many customers to shell out at least $10,000 for repairs. Man, that's a lot of money. Customers rated this problem as pretty bad, so it might be wise to look for models with lower mileage and a well-documented maintenance history. Number 4. 2012 Subaru Forester. Subaru owners are known for their unwavering loyalty to the brand. However, when it comes to the 2012 Subaru Forester, there are some major concerns that potential buyers need to be aware of. One recurring issue with the Forester is excessive oil consumption. Even though no oil leaks were found, some owners noticed their engines using oil at an alarming rate. In some cases, owners were fortunate to have that engine repaired under warranty. But this major repair comes with a hefty price tag, often exceeding $8,000. According to Consumer Reports, the 2012 Subaru Forester ranks as the 4th most likely vehicle to need an engine rebuild. And typically this happens between 81,000 and 129,000 miles. Number 3. 2011 Hyundai Sonata. The 2011 Sonata was supposed to be a top contender for one of the best SUVs, but unfortunately it fell short in many areas. Multiple recalls have plagued this model, raising concerns about safety and reliability. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, the 2011 Sonata was recalled multiple times. One of the recalls was related to the automaker's 2-liter and 2.4-liter Theta 2 engines, which had a high risk of engine failure. This is a significant issue that could leave owners stranded or, even worse, lead to accidents. One of the most severe problems reported by owners is the engine seizing without warning. Numerous complaints mention sudden engine failures and the need for costly engine replacements. Number 2. 2013 Kia Sorento. Some owners of the second-generation Kia Sorento, particularly those from model years 2011 to 2015, ran into serious engine problems. The worst affected were the 2013 models, especially those equipped with the direct injection 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. Kia Motor Company even acknowledged the issue and recalled certain 2012 to 2014 Sorentos due to matching errors during the engine manufacturing process. The problem was related to premature bearing wear, which could lead to the engine seizing and increase the risk of a crash. Imagine being in that situation. There you're driving and then boop, your engine fails on the road. It's pretty scary, right? Now let's talk about another issue reported by owners. A strange engine vibration. This was a prevalent problem, particularly in the 2013 Kia Sorento. Some customers experienced this vibration around 14,000 miles, which is quite early in a vehicle's lifespan. When they took their Sorrentos to the dealership, they were told it was a normal issue and had nothing to worry about. Although this vibration might not indicate a major problem, it can still be distressing, especially for inexperienced drivers. It can impact the overall driving experience and create unnecessary stress. And number 1. 2014 Kia Optima. Unfortunately, not all Kia Optima model years are created equal. One particular year stands out as the most complained about, and that's the 2013 model. Over 1/3 of the reported problems were engine-related, with many cases involving blown engines. Owners reported experiencing engine knocking and sudden loss of power while driving. Astonishingly, nearly half of these owners had to replace their engines entirely. Some even shared terrifying accounts of the engine stalling or losing power on busy highways and city streets. But the engine problems didn't end there. Several instances were reported where the engine caught fire, causing damage to the car's front end and tires. Consumer Reports gave that 2014 Kia Optima a disappointing rating of 1 out of 5 for engine reliability. It identified this model year as the most likely to require an engine rebuild or replacement. So if you're considering a used Kia Optima, don't say we didn't warn you. That's all for today's video, folks. If you did enjoy it, please give it that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already with us for more content like this. Drive safe, and we'll catch you on the next one.